this Master Look chair, and I'm in this location. Today I want to show you the push and pull from the side. From the side. Remember the middle dantian from here, and then turn your shoulder, elbow, the wrist. So turn like this. Now it's important to know that our body is like a machine. It's like a machine. So like train reaction. So it's the shoulder, the ball and socket, and then the muscle contract and extend, and then the elbow, and then the wrist, and then every knuckle, and then to the tips. So it's the train, a train reaction. Because the lights here, I cannot just. It's a beautiful place. But anyway, I normally to say to people that it's like some of you are old enough to see the old trains. So segment by segment. So when before the train start, they push you back, boom, push you back, and then go forward. Because segment by segment, the train goes. So instead of the holding the boom, the whole train go. But nowadays, the whole train, you don't push back. But before you push back, our body actually work like this. Because like a segment of your shoulder, a segment of your bones, and then that's how the whole body circulates like that. Right? So it looks like some people ask me that how can I move my dantian, move my shoulder, that I move my fingertips. But that's the train reaction. You turn here, turn here, turn here, turn here. It's very subtle that you actually move here from your dantian, the psoas muscle. The psoas muscle and the back, and the shoulder and elbow, the wrist. So it's a wave of energy going through, this wave of energy. And then back, push. And the same with sixth direction, you push out, back, out, back. And then it's always the same. So, or you open and close the same. But you up and down, up and down. It's a train reaction there. Huh? It's a train reaction. And then release, absorb. Now, of course, the breath is very important. The breathing is important. It's breathing out, stop, breathing in. Now, it's not only from your nose, it's through your body, through your psoas muscle. That's how you do it, okay? Just through your psoas muscle, do it. Breathing in, breathe out. Breathing in, breathe out. But it's not just the nose. It uses the soul must turn and then get the, and then because you turn the psoas muscle, and then the diaphragm goes down, and then the air comes in. And from the air goes out, and because your diaphragm goes out, because you turn your psoas muscle. It's not, your nose is not like that. Because you create a vacuum inside by turning the psoas muscle. It's very important to distinguish. There's two types of qi. One is up, one is down. So the down is turning the psoas muscle. But anyway, I just want you to see the beautiful scenery. So that's why I taught, the side. But anyway, I hope you can at least get some of this. And then until next tape, and I can explain a little more, okay? And thank you very much. A beautiful Yang So it's one of the big spot, one of the place I want to come, once in a while. And then, all right, then thank you very much. Love yourself, love others, love nature. The world is beautiful because of you. I love you from Yang So.